Ultimate Guide to a Healthy Diet, Tips for Every Lifestyle. A lifelong healthy diet prevents malnutrition and non-communicable diseases, NCDs. However, modern trends like processed foods, urbanization, and lifestyle changes have led to increased consumption of high-energy, fatty, sugary, and salty foods with fewer fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. While a balanced diet varies by individual factors and cultural contexts, the fundamental principles of a healthy diet remain consistent. Fruit, vegetables, legumes, nuts, and whole grains. At least 400 g, 5 portions, of fruit and vegetables per day, excluding starchy roots. Less than 10% of energy intake from free sugars, ideally below 5% for extra health benefits. Free sugars include those added to foods/drinks and those naturally present in honey, syrups, and fruit juices. Less than 30% of energy intake from fats, with a preference for unsaturated fats over saturated and trans fats. Saturated fats should be less than 10% of energy intake and trans fats less than 1%, avoiding industrial trans fats completely. Less than 5 g of salt, about 1 teaspoon, per day, and it should be iodized. In the first 2 years of a child's life, optimal nutrition fosters healthy growth and improves cognitive development. It also reduces the risk of becoming overweight or obese and developing NCDs later in life. Advice on a healthy diet for infants and children is similar to that for adults, but the following elements are also important. Infants should be breastfed exclusively during the first 6 months of life. Infants should be breastfed continuously until 2 years of age and beyond. From 6 months of age, breast milk should be complemented with a variety of adequate, safe, and nutrient-dense foods. Salt and sugars should not be added to complementary foods. Fruit and vegetables. Eat at least 400 g, 5 portions, daily to reduce NCD risk and ensure adequate fiber. Improve intake by including vegetables in meals, snacking on fresh fruit and raw vegetables, eating seasonal and varied produce. Keep total fat intake below 30% of energy to prevent unhealthy weight gain. Reduce saturated fats to less than 10% and trans fats to less than 1% of energy. Replace with unsaturated fats, especially polyunsaturated fats. Reduce fat intake by steaming or boiling instead of frying. Using oils rich in polyunsaturated fats. Choosing reduced fat dairy and lean meats. Limiting baked, fried, and prepackaged snacks. Most people consume too much sodium and not enough potassium. Reduce salt intake to less than 5 g per day to lower blood pressure and reduce heart disease and stroke risk. Reduce salt by limiting high-sodium condiments and snacks. Avoiding adding salt at the table. Choosing low-sodium products. Increasing potassium by eating fresh fruits and vegetables. Reduce free sugars to less than 10% of energy intake, ideally below 5% for extra benefits. High sugar intake leads to dental caries, unhealthy weight gain, and increased cardiovascular risk. Reduce sugar intake by limiting sugary snacks and beverages. Choosing fresh fruits and raw vegetables as snacks. Thank you for watching, and like, share, and subscribe our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for next video.